Today I'm excited to share with you and review the Gmail extension Repl.A.I, R-E-P-L, capital A, capital I. Repl.A.I is a productivity tool that uses the GPT-3 language model from OpenAI to generate personalized and professional email responses. So it's designed specifically for Gmail, and what it does is it captures the user's reply intent, making it easy to save time and improve email correspondence. So first thing we need to do is go sign up for the add-on. So let's go do that right now. Okay, so there's a few ways that you can install the add-on. I found that the simplest way is to simply visit the website Repl.A.I.me, Replai.me. Once you're on the home page, you'll see the install free on Gmail button. So we'll click that. And then all we have to do is install. We'll click the install button, press the continue. It's going to authorize on your Gmail account. Make sure you choose the one that you want to authorize. And then we will allow that. And then you'll get the confirmation that Repl.A.I ChatGPT for Gmail has been installed successfully. Now you just simply open up your Gmail, and if you have successfully downloaded the add-on, you'll see the Repl.A.I logo on the right-hand side. Now that we've installed the add-on, let's take a look on how we can use it. So in this particular example, this would be if you are, let's say, an e-com business and you were sending out physical products. You may receive this type of inquiry about an order status. So to whom it may concern, I hope this email finds you well. I'm writing to inquire about the status of my order number. Can you please provide me with an update on when I can expect the delivery of my items? Thank you for your time and attention in this matter. So there's a couple things that you can do. Obviously, you can reply manually by just hitting the reply button. You can also use the natively integrated responses from Gmail itself. Or in this particular case, we are going to select our add-on, Repl.A.I, and then you get the side window opening up. And there's a couple things here. So number one is you can provide additional information, which will then customize the reply to the person. Here's the example, meeting on Sunday first works for me. The other thing is choosing the style. So number one is let's add some additional information, which I will paste in here. So let's say that the items were delayed because of customs and that they are out for delivery today. And also the fact that the customer can check at any point in time with online tracking. Then what style do you want the email to be? So this is the kind of the voice of your email, and you have a whole host of options here to choose from. We are going to stick with the default, which is the follow-up, and let's generate and see what happens. Okay, that took about 5 seconds, and here's what we have. Dear Stephen, thank you for your inquiry regarding your order number. We apologize for the delay in delivery due to customs. We are pleased to inform you that your items have been shipped out for delivery today and you can track your order online. We hope you are satisfied with our services. Please do not hesitate to contact us if you have any further queries. So now that the email has been created, there's obviously some options here. We can update the email, customize it more if we need to. Another option is at any point in time, you can actually delete the email and then you can generate it again. If you want to continue with the follow-up as the style or the voice, you can do that, or you can actually change to a different type of style if you are looking for something different or maybe even to test out. Okay, here's another example. This is a personal email. Hey Roger, how's it going? I haven't seen you in a while and I was wondering if you're free this weekend. I was thinking we can catch up over lunch or dinner. Let me know what works best for you. Looking forward to hearing from you soon. Take care, Donnie. Again, we can select all these options here, but we're going to go with the add-on. Okay, so I'm going to provide some additional information here. I'm available after 1 p.m. on Saturday for a late lunch. I'm also going to say, do you like sushi? Let's see what it does with that. And then for the style, I'm going to use friendly, as this is a friend of mine. Let's generate and see what happens. Okay, let's see what it generated here. So again, that took about 5 seconds to do. It says, hi Donnie, it's been a while. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. I'm available after 1 p.m. on Saturday for a late lunch. Do you like sushi? Let me know what you think and we can make plans from there. Look forward to catching up. So as you can see, it definitely had the friendly voice and again, very, very efficient, very effective. My guess is that as the product continues to evolve, it's going to understand more of the voice, of my own voice. So I can make appropriate edits to the responses that I have, and I'm sure it's capturing that as I continue to feed it more inputs. So very valuable for sure. Let's move on to our final example here. Okay, this one we want to use the funny style or the funny voice. So here's the email that we have. Help me out. Hey Jeremy, I have a serious question for you. Just got a new cat and I can't seem to think of a good name for him. Can you help me out? P.S. I'll buy you a pizza if you come up with a good one. Okay, let's go to Repl.A.I. In the previous examples, I noticed I was providing quite a bit of additional information, almost even starting to write the replies in the emails itself. So for this particular example, I'm only going to put one simple statement, which is 10 funny cat names. And the hopes is that ChatGPT will do all the heavy lifting, be able to reply with a logical response to my friend regarding his cat names. Okay, also we want to change this to funny, and let's see what happens. Okay, let's see what we got here. Hey P, I think I have the perfect name for your new cat. How about Mr. Meowgie? It's a combination of Mr. Meow and Ninja. Perfect for a sneaky little cat. Plus, I think it's funny. And if you don't like that one, here are some other funny cat names I found. Then it lists off an additional 10 names. Here's the best part, I think. Let me know which one you pick. Basically, PS, and don't forget about the pizza. So, as you can see here, it is leveraging, obviously, ChatGPT, and it's a functional way to do it. Of course, I could always take the emails that I get. I can copy them. I can go over to ChatGPT itself. I can paste it in and then, take the prompt from there and then bring it back to here. That's definitely something that anyone of us can do. But I like the fact that it's fully integrated, knowing that I can provide additional information to craft that perfect reply is a huge time saver. I mean, the fact that ChatGPT is doing all the heavy lifting, I can put a style or a voice to those replies. Great little program. So I'm happy with it and I'll continue to use it moving forward. As of today, January the 23rd, 2023, Repl.A.I is currently in beta and is absolutely free. How long that will remain free, I have no idea. So if you see value in this, please look in the description and click on the link so that you can get signed up right away. Let me know in the comments what you think about Repl.A.I. Thank you for subscribing, and we'll see you on the next one.